Hello and welcome back to TNV Academy, your trusted source for ISO training and environmental management insights. In today's session, we are going to walk through a step-by-step guide on how to prepare an ISO 14031 environmental performance report. So make sure to like, subscribe and stay with us till the end. What is ISO 14031? First, a quick refresher. ISO 14031 is a guidance standard that helps organizations evaluate and communicate their environmental performance. It emphasizes the use of environmental performance indicators or EPIs to track, report, and improve how your organization interacts with the environment. What is an ISO 14031 performance report? An ISO 14031 performance report is a document that presents your organization's current environmental performance, the key indicators you have measured, progress toward your environmental goals, and recommendations for future improvements. It can be internal for management review or external for regulators, clients, or stakeholders. Now let's look at how to prepare one. Define the scope. The first step is to define the scope of the report. Ask what operations or locations are covered, what time period are you reporting on, is this report part of an EMS or a standalone document? Clearly defining your scope helps keep your report focused and relevant. Select key indicators. Next, select your environmental performance indicators, that is EPIs. These can be grouped into three categories. First, management performance indicators, that is MPIs, policies, training and procedures. Operational performance indicators, that is OPIs, emissions, energy, water and waste. Third is environmental condition indicators, that is ECIs, air, water, soil quality around the facility. Choose indicators that are relevant, measurable and aligned with your goals. Step 3. Collect and analyze data. Now gather data for each indicator. Use logs, meters, utility bills, lab results or audits. Make sure the data is accurate, consistent and comparable to past performance. Once collected, analyze the data for trends, gaps or improvement areas. Draft the report. Now it's time to draft the report. A typical structure includes executive summary, a brief overview of findings. Then introduction, scope, objectives, the reporting period, then methodology, that is how indicators were selected and data was collected, performance results, detailed analysis of each EPI, and then comparison with targets, that is what was achieved versus what was planned, key insights and recommendations, and annexes or raw data, that is optional. Use graphs and tables to make the report visual and easy to understand. Review and communicate. Before finalizing, have the report reviewed by management or your EMS team. Then share it with the intended audience, internally for decision making or audits, externally for regulators, investors or customers. Make sure it is clear, honest and backed by data. Benefits of reporting. A well-prepared ISO 14031 report helps you track and improve environmental performance, increase transparency, strengthen EMS implementation, build trust with stakeholders, align with ISO 14001 and sustainability frameworks. So to summarize, we can say that preparing an ISO 14031 performance report involves defining the scope, selecting indicators, collecting data, analyzing performance and communicating results clearly. It is a powerful tool to move from environmental compliance to environmental leadership. If you found this video useful, hit like, drop a comment and subscribe to TNV Academy for more content on ISO standards and environmental management. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.